Welcome to the Huawei Nova 10C unboxing video. Let's start by taking the phone out of the box. After removing the phone from the box, press and hold the power button to turn it on. Inside the box, you'll find a silicone case that fits perfectly on your phone. It offers additional protection against scratches and drops. Next, let's take out the USB Type-C cable from the box. This cable is used for charging the phone and transferring files to your computer. The Nova 10C comes with a 66 watts power adapter that supports super fast charging. You can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just a few minutes. The battery life of the Nova 10C is impressive and it charges from 0 to 100% in 38 minutes thanks to the 66 watts power adapter. The Nova 10C has a sleek and modern design with a large 6.3-inch display. The phone is available in several colors and has a glossy finish on the back. On the side of the phone, you'll find a fingerprint scanner that allows you to unlock your phone quickly and securely. The Nova 10C has a triple camera setup on the back that includes a 108 megapixel, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, you'll find a 16MP selfie camera. Under the hood, the Nova 10C is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680G 4G and comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This means you can run multiple apps and games simultaneously without any lag or slow down. Finally, you can download any app you want from the AppGallery, and you can also find Google services on your phone. The Nova 10C is a powerful and versatile device that's perfect for anyone looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone.